Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide insights and guidance on achieving success in various areas of life. In today's video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies on how to become successful. So, whether you are looking to start a new career, grow your business, or improve your personal life, these tips will help you reach your goals. Tip number 1. Define what success means to you. The first step to becoming successful is to define what success means to you. Success can mean different things to different people, so it's important to have a clear understanding of what it means to you. This will help you set your goals and priorities, and focus your efforts on achieving what truly matters to you. Tip number 2. Set specific and measurable goals. Once you've defined your definition of success, the next step is to set specific and measurable goals. Your goals should be challenging but achievable, and should have a clear timeline and measurable outcomes. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress towards achieving your goals. Tip number 3. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning. Developing a growth mindset can help you overcome obstacles, learn from failures, and continually improve your skills and abilities. Tip number 4. Take action and stay consistent. Success is not just about setting goals and having a growth mindset. It also requires taking consistent action towards your goals. This means being proactive, disciplined, and persistent in your efforts, and staying committed to your goals even when faced with setbacks and challenges. Tip number 5. Learn from feedback and criticism. Finally, successful people are not afraid to seek feedback and criticism, and they use it as a tool for growth and improvement. By being open to feedback, you can learn from your mistakes, improve your skills, and gain valuable insights that can help you achieve even greater success. Conclusion: becoming successful requires a combination of mindset, action, and learning. By defining what success means to you, setting specific goals, developing a growth mindset, taking consistent action, and seeking feedback, you can achieve the success you desire. So, start applying these tips today and see how they can help you become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching.